Kids Zone with Trishy. Disney Baby 100 First Words. Lift the flap. Toys. Teddy bear. Can you find the train? Train. Now, can you say close so we could close the flap? Close. Blocks. Where are the blocks? Blocks open. Blocks. Close. Doll. Open. Doll. Close. Where's the drum? Yes. Open. Drum. Close. Guitar. Open. Guitar. Close. Jump rope. Open. Jump rope. Close. Bubbles. Open. Bubbles. Oh, it's Elsa with bubbles. Close. Xylophone. Xylophone. Open. It's a kitty playing the xylophone. Close. Rattle. Open. Rattle. Close. Kite. Open. Kite. Close. Wagon. Open. Wagon. Close. Crayons. Open. Crayons. Close. Paint. Open. Paint. Close. Ball. Open. Ball. Close. Bat. Open. Bat. Close.